videos how to loosen and replace the pilot on an Atwood propane gas hot water tank. So I turned it on and then shut off the gas tanks until it burned up all the propane. This is the replacement. I'm going to loosen the gas line, a thermocouple line, using a adjustable wrench. And down underneath here is one little screw. That's the replacement. Little 1/4 inch sheet metal screw. So that's all it takes, 1/4 inch sheet metal screw. And I'll take that off. So I took that screw out, and this is all loose. The next I'm going to loosen these two with an adjustable crescent wrench. So that's loose. Now we'll loosen the other one. So that came out easy enough. I put the thermocouple in just finger tight. I'm going to do the gas line. You need to be real careful when you're adjusting these tubes, because if you kink them or break them, you're starting all over again. Now they're finger tight. And we'll put this in and get that little sheet metal screw from the bottom up finger tight. Check all the fittings for leaks. I used 2 tablespoons of dish soap and 3 tablespoons of hot water. If we were leaking, it would bubble. There you have it. The pilot is on. Now the pilot should be long enough to go into the gas jet. When we turn it on, there you have it. There were no videos on YouTube for that gas valve, so I made one. As always, when you're working with gas, if you're not comfortable doing it, if you're not confident that you can do it, hire a licensed professional. Make sure the pilot is for natural or propane, not natural gas. Propane, not natural gas.